like 50 maybe.
Make him laugh like you just did.
You got it? You ready?
Let me just hear him laugh.
Mommy. Okay. Oh!
Wow, this is kind of a dull party y'all are having.
That's because it already passed. Move!